Like I said, these are a must. If you got a Charger or Challenger, man, these are a must do. Like I said, I went with the smoke color lights to put on the Charger. I thought it'd be a whole lot better on the car. And like I said, these are perfectly packaged perfectly. They have front, and if you look here, maybe if I can focus on the light, it says L, so that's the left side. And I'm working on the passenger side right now, so let me go ahead and get this front right so I can show you guys. Boom, boom, right side. So I'm going to go ahead. I haven't, like I said, getting that taken off yet. I'm going to go ahead and get that taken off and get it installed on the electrical cord, and we'll see if it lights up or not. So like I said, these LEDs should be pretty bright. We'll see how it go. Like I said, the front is going to be easy for me to do. I think the back may be a little difficult, but we'll get there once we cross that bridge, guys, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so as you can see, I finally got the first one off, and what you're gonna need for this installation is you're gonna need a rivet or dash puller, wrench tool, whatever you want to call these things, and you're gonna need a T25 bit to get these smaller screws that came on the factory side marker light. And then all you need to do is just basically just pop loose the electrical connector. As far as the first step, like I said, I have the Nova Stretch on here, so of course I already have the Nova Stretch screws, which are Phillips, so it's kind of easy to go ahead and get the front part off. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get the light cord off the stock reflector and go ahead and install the aftermarket reflector. So guys, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so I failed to mention that you're gonna have to take your factory screws and you're gonna have to pre-drill the new light with the screws in there, because these do not come pre-drilled. So it's not really hard. Just take your ratchet, work it in and work it out till you get a good groove with the old screws into the new side marker. So it's not hard, but just FYI, it would save you some trouble when you're trying to put the light back in, because it's not going to go in without having those screws pre-drilled in there. So just a FYI, guys, I failed to mention that to you guys. All right, guys, so we got it connected on, but before you put it back in, always make sure that the light is always working. So let's go ahead and cut the lights on. Yeah, you can just cut your park lights on if you need to, and boom. So we are good to go. So all you gotta do now is just put the two screws back in, put your covers back on, and you're good to go on the front. Not that bad. So definitely gonna look a whole lot better, you know, with these on it. So stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right, guys. So I finally got the front one on. I think it looks good with the car. Definitely makes the car look a little bit better. Just trying to get this back one off, but I'm going to have to eventually take this tire off just to get up in there. I did try to jack it up a little higher from the frame of the car just to see if I can get it a little higher, but I cannot get the I don't have enough room to get the wrench in here, unless I just get it. Probably just need to buy a smaller wrench with a smaller socket to get in here to get these this reflector off. So I'm gonna go back, go plan B, so you guys stay tuned, okay? Peace. All right, guys, so as you can see, I did not have to take my tire off. I was able to jack it up further from the frame. I've seen a couple of videos on there. So we do got power to the light. My neighbor came over to help me unscrew this off because it was kind of tough trying to get it off with the plastic fender piece in there. So like I said, all you gotta do now on the other side is just wash, rinse, and repeat on the other side. And I'll definitely pull this out at nighttime so we can see what it definitely looks like at nighttime, guys. So stay tuned for the next clip. All right, guys, it's not quite nighttime yet, but I just wanted to show you guys how the lights came out with that dark smoke on the car. I mean, I think those go perfect with my car because, like I said, it's white, and you know, with white cars you can do so much with white cars. So it has that black tint with the kind of with the accent of the car. You know what I mean? It looks very, 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 very good. Like I like it. So it came out perfect as I thought it would be. I know it's not really dark yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see what it looked like. Man. Yes, sir. So, I know it don't look dark on camera, but that is actually brighter than what it looks like on the camera. So I'll wait for the sun to go down even more so you guys can see it a whole lot better. So, but yeah, I definitely like the way they definitely came out real good with the car on the smoke lenses. Alright guys, so it's getting a little darker. I just want to go ahead and do this little night clip. I know it's not really dark, but close enough so you can kind of see how these lights look in the dark, man. Like I said, these came out very perfect, just how I like them though. I mean, like I said, these lights are brighter than it is on the camera, so, but there it is, guys. 80 bucks off Amazon. These look way better than the factory side marker lights. Definitely gives it that pop, especially with the lights not on, with that dark smoke gray. I mean, a dark smoke color. Definitely looks good on my car. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you think about getting some LED side marker lights, I say yes. They are a must to put on your car. The front ones are going to be easy to put on. The back ones are going to be tough. So either you're going to have to take the wheel off, you by yourself, you're going to have to take the wheel off and get up in there under that fender well, or, you know, like me, I had to have my neighbor, he had to help me with the back ones because that plastic fender well is very tough in there, so it's hard to get the wrench in there and do everything with one hand. So you got to be able to have assistance on the back if you're not going to take your wheel off. So unless you just got small hands to get up in there, but like me, I don't have small hands. So, but that's the final product, man. And I'm very excited that it came out like that. You know, Betty White looking better and better every time I do a mod on her. So yeah, I can't complain. Definitely looks good. So alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed me installing the LED side marker lights on my car. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe to the channel as I end my videos. Always keep God first, stay prayed up, guys. To the next video. Peace.